Here's where you can go to change the default messaging app on your Xiaomi phone with Android 15. With HyperOS 2, you would want to use the quick access here and tap on the settings toggle right there. Once you reach here, go down until you see apps, this option right here. And as you enter here, you'll notice there are three dots at the top right area. Go ahead and tap on that. Then go to where it says other settings. Once you do this, you will see default apps to the top area here, as you can see. And once you go here, you'll be able to choose between the different default app settings. So you'll see messaging, and depending on your phone model, whether it's the Chinese ROM or the global version here, you will only see the compatible apps appear here. And of course, these apps will come from Play Store. There are some free ones, so you can look for them. So for example, if you want to switch to the Google one here, it would be this one here, and you should be good to go. Like and sub.